So hello. Here's the quick one, and I sort of wanted to check with you guys if you are ready, to start your journey, to start giving good sort of good and positive things to your life, adding so many flavors to your life, right? So for that, as you have been watching my videos on gratitude and on meditations, right? So I tell you why gratitude is so important, because if we see today's time, it is really easy for us to get distracted towards negative sides of things, right? So there are multiple opportunity to see from the complaining mode, right? We can see that my job is not good, my family is not treating me well, I do not have enough money, I do not have good friends. Let's say, like, we cannot end up complaining about things, yet at the same time we have so many opportunity to say thanks to God and to be grateful for the things we have, isn't it? So let's suppose if we have shoes to put on, if we have clothes to wear, if we have food on our table to have every day, even a single meal, right? And if we have water to drink, if we have electricity in our home, and if we have like sources to survive, so isn't it a great thing in itself? Because there are so many people, right, who struggle to survive on a daily basis, and despite that we are giving resources and ample uh, uh, like ample, I would say that, because we have been given resources to fulfill our life, to see beyond survival, right? But then also, why are we not able to focus on the opportunity of being grateful, than being complaining about and being creepy on things? So it is very important, it is essential to know the value of things which we have been given. And let me tell you one more important thing which you can apply from right this moment on. Trust me, if you are breathing, right, if you are breathing at this moment in time, then you are the luckiest one. What else we need to live? The basic thing is our breathe, and if we are breathing, which means it's a great thing that we are still alive. I think you would need to focus on these things, because if any time our breathe stops, our life would end, isn't it? So it is really important for us to focus on the things which we have not seen so far, which we have not paid attention to, because it is being given to us by the nature, by the God, or whatsoever you can say, Almighty. So we think that this is the default we get, right? But that's not the case. Every day, there is no guarantee for me also to wake up tomorrow morning. So if I am being given a life for today, then it is a great thing that I have been given an additional day to live for, right? So we need to start seeing things from this perspective, and it is my movement, you can say that, to make people realize what they have, to make them realize the value of what they have in hands, rather what they will be having in their hands, right? So in the present, life is not in the future, not in the past, it is in the present. So it is really important for us to see things from the perspective of having ample of resources. So I had this message for you today, and I'm sure I should give you everyday messages for you to get recharged, for you to see things from different side, right? So yes, so thank you for that. Take care.